Here we go. Out into the abyss. It's just the front yard. It's not really the abyss.
Yeah.
We're just in the front
It sounds
yard.
way more exciting.
I know. We're in the abyss. Wait till you see what we got. It's dragon fruit time. Look at those beautiful things.
Let's see where I
No, maybe you hold it right there. Mama gonna hold the lantern.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Mama says she gonna hold the lantern. I have this big bright one too. Maybe use this one.
Well, this one's fine. No, now you can't see it. It's too bright. It's perfect.
Cha-cha. Remember, I have old person eyes.
Okay, but so do I, and I'm older.
Okay, so here's the deal. My buddy Philip hooked me out with some dragon fruit pollen. This is Connie Mayer. This was I traded some guy last year. I do not remember his name, but he was cool. He came by, traded me some pollen or some dragon fruit. So my friend Philip lives around the corner. He gave me the red dragon fruit pollen. I'm going to use that here in a minute. Well, first I'm going to see if I can harvest a little of the Connie Mayer pollen for future pollinations. So I try and kind of get in here, and all that pollen is sitting right there, right inside there. It's pretty tough to see, it's real small, but it's there. So I got these few paintbrushes that I kept just for this purpose. Yeah, you see a little bit of it. It's in there. It's in there. So you just harvesting pollen. Because if there's another variety that needs this variety, what I read about this one, I have not fruited this one yet. This is my first time flowering it. Can you come around to this one? What I just read is this one requires red flesh dragon fruit as a pollinator. Just so happens that all of Philip's are red flesh. So, winner, winner. So this is a green skin on this dragon fruit. It's a really cool looking one. I'm psyched to hopefully make this happen tonight. This will be my first time if I'm successful. I've done this before, but I didn't have the right pollen. Last year, I had the wrong pollen and it did not work on the Halley's Comet. So, we're trying again. It's just like everywhere in there. So much. I should have put Mama's bug spray on. Alright. I don't know if you see down in there, but there is a
you can.
decent amount of pollen in there. We actually did alright. Philip, I've got your pollen. So now, the pollen is down in here. And this is the area that you have to pollinate the tips of these. I believe these are called the stamens. Stamens,
Stamens, I think.
Stamens.
Didn't you ever see Grease 2?
No. Should I have seen Grease 2?
Well, then you'd know it was stamen.
Stamen. Alright, so here's the red pollen. Oh my god, this looks like a drug deal. I feel like I need a spoon and a lighter right now.
Oh my gosh.
So I take a little bit and Debbie. This is like X-rated dragon fruit pouring right here. I mean, this is it. They're doing the nasty right here. Load my brush. Get in there real good. Cover everybody. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have a little baby.
It happens that fast?
No, it has to grow. But it either works or it doesn't. Take a couple days, it'll either develop or nothing will happen. Gotta get these self-fertile varieties. They're over here on these other sides. We gotta get those growing, but it flowered, so I'm not gonna tell it not to. I'll just do my best to see if I can get the fruit out of it. How cool would it be if we get Connie Mayer? I don't even know who this lady is. Oh, these mosquitoes are brutal. Oh, I'm almost done. Are they tearing you up?
Yes.
Oh, it's rough out here. They're carrying my wife away. All right, I'm feeling pretty pollinated. I am feeling pollinated. I think we're good.
Okay.
Let's roll into how. We will check back and let you know how this goes. Obviously, these are the stars. There's one more right around the corner here that has not popped open yet, so that will be tomorrow's project. Right here in the corner there. See, there she is.
There it is.
One more. And maybe some more will flower. Who knows? Maybe they'll pop again. Right there. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, see you guys tomorrow. We'll check in again.